Big Brother 27 has reached another critical turning point as the house guests face one of the most dramatic weeks of the summer. With double power shifts, unexpected evictions, and blindsides shaping the game, fans are buzzing after the latest head of household competition crowned a second ho for Week 11. This twist has reshaped the balance of power in the house and given viewer another round of shocking nominations that could determine who makes it to the final stages of the competition. The feeds exploded with strategy talk, shifting alliances, and tears as the second ho revealed their targets. For those keeping up with the spoilers, this week's nominations are set to leave long-lasting consequences in the Big Brother house. The second ho was crowned after a grueling competition that tested endurance, focus, and mental stamina. The house guests entered the arena with the pressure mounting, knowing that one wrong move could seal their fate. With so few players left, every competition win becomes a game-defining moment, and this was no exception. When the dust settled, the second ho emerged victorious, securing not only safety for the week but also the power to make two crucial nominations that would immediately send shockwaves through the house. The win came at a time when alliances were cracking, trust was breaking, and secret deals were finally being exposed. Immediately following the competition, conversations began swirling in every corner of the house. The remaining house guests scrambled to secure their safety, with old allies suddenly turning on each other and former enemies trying to strike temporary truces. The ho room became the hottest spot for negotiations, as one by one, house guests pitched their cases, promised loyalty, and tried to redirect the target away from themselves. But as the ho settled into their reign, it became clear that this week would not be business as usual. The decision was personal, strategic, and shocking all at once. The nomination ceremony confirmed what many feared and others secretly hoped for. Two strong players were placed squarely on the block. The ho made a bold statement with their choices, signaling to the entire house that no one is untouchable and that this late in the game, even long-standing allies could be sacrificed. These nominations not only put pressure on the nominees but also forced every other house guest to reassess their own positions and long-term strategies. For fans watching the live feeds, the tension was palpable as the nominees reacted with frustration, anger, and determination to fight for their lives in the game. This week's nominees were not random targets. The ho carefully selected them based on a combination of strategic threat, social influence, and potential jury votes. By putting these players on the block, the ho ensured that no matter what happens with the veto, the house would have to make a tough choice. The move also exposed hidden fractures in alliances that had been operating under the radar. The fallout was immediate, with whispers of betrayal echoing throughout the house and new alliances forming in the shadows. The reactions inside the house have been as dramatic as the nominations themselves. One nominee erupted in frustration, venting to anyone who would listen about how unfair the decision was, while the other took a more calculated approach, quietly strategizing and seeking out potential allies for votes. Meanwhile, other house guests saw the nominations as an opportunity to further their own games, floating between conversations and planting seeds of doubt to influence the outcome of the eviction. The paranoia is at an all-time high, and the live feeds have captured some of the most intense confrontations of the season. The veto competition looms large over these nominations, as it often does in the later weeks of Big Brother. With so few players left, the veto can completely flip the script and save someone from the block while forcing the ho to reveal their replacement nominee. Everyone knows the stakes, and the nominees are preparing to fight with everything they have. The ho, on the other hand, must prepare for every possible scenario, including the possibility of having to nominate a close ally as a replacement if the veto is used. The coming days are sure to bring even more drama, as the veto competition could turn this week into one of the most pivotal in Big Brother 27. Outside of the house, fans are divided over the HOH's choices. Some viewers applaud the boldness of targeting strong players at this stage, arguing that it's the only way to secure a path to the final two. Others believe the move may have been premature, potentially leaving the ho vulnerable in the next week if their alliance crumbles. Social media is ablaze with debates, with fans dissecting every conversation, body language cue, and live feed update to predict how the week will play out. The beauty of Big Brother lies in its unpredictability. and this week is a perfect example of why the show continues to captivate audiences after all these years. The ripple effects of these nominations extend far beyond this week's eviction. With the jury forming and every eviction carrying weight in the final vote, the HOH's decisions will likely come back to haunt or help them in the endgame. Targeting strong competitors now may secure an easier path to the finale, but it can also create bitter jurors who feel betrayed. Conversely, playing it safe could preserve relationships but leave the Ho vulnerable to being outplayed by bigger threats. It's a delicate balance that every Big Brother player must navigate, and this week's second Ho has embraced the riskier side of the game. For the nominees, the fight is far from over. Campaigning has already begun, with each nominee trying to convince their fellow house guests that keeping them in game is the smarter choice. Promises of loyalty, final two deals, and strategic pitches are flying fast, and every conversation could tip the scales one way or another. In a season filled with blind sides, no one feels secure, and the eviction vote could very well come down to a last-minute flip. Fans watching at home are bracing for another explosive eviction night, one that could rival some of the most iconic moments in Big Brother history. As Big Brother 27 charges forward into its final weeks, the second Ho of Week 11 has set the stage for a high-stakes showdown. The nominations have drawn clear battle lines, and the outcome of this week could determine who has the best shot at winning the grand prize. With tension at its peak, every move matters, and the house guests know it. Whether the HOH's bold gamble pays off or backfires spectacularly, one thing is certain: this week will go down as one of the defining chapters of the season. Big Brother thrives on unpredictability, and Week 11 has delivered it in spades. From the competition win to the shocking nominations, the second Ho has guaranteed fans another week of non-stop drama, strategy, and entertainment. The road to finale night is narrowing, and with every eviction, the stakes get higher. Who will survive the block, who will be sent to jury, and who will ultimately outlast the rest to become the winner of Big Brother 27? This week's nominations may very well hold the answers, and fans won't want to miss a second of the action as the drama continues to unfold. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe our Beyond Big Brother YouTube channel for more update news.